Evolutionary exploit. Why love is actually a survival technology. The metabolic debt, 2 million years ago. Love didn't start with a poem. It started with a calorie deficit. 2 million years ago, the human brain began to explode in size. This created a biological crisis. Human infants became too expensive for a single parent to raise. The evolutionary solution wasn't just cooperation, it was a hormonal heist. Evolution co-opted the oxytocin and vasopressin pathways, originally designed for mother-infant bonding, and hot-wired them into the male-female pair bond. Love was the first Iron Dome, a biological insurance policy to protect the most vulnerable asset, the large-brained child. As we stood up on two legs, bipedalism, our pelvises narrowed. This made childbirth a lethal gamble. To survive, humans developed concealed ovulation. Unlike our primate cousins who signal fertility loudly, human females hid the signal. This forced the male into a state of permanent presence. He couldn't just mate and leave. He had to stay to increase his odds. This shifted the hormonal profile of the species from transient lust, dopamine, testosterone, to enduring attachment, vasopressin, serotonin. We are the only primates who evolved to trade the high of the chase for the status of the fortress. With the dawn of agriculture, love moved from the cells to the civilization. We invented virtue to govern the biology. Marriage became a Neolithic contract to manage land, lineage, and labor. This is where the cardinal virtues, prudence and justice, were first applied to the heartbeat. We stopped being tribal nomads and became sovereign architects, using social structures to protect the serotonin stability of the family unit against the chaos of the wild. Today, we are living through a system error. Our 2 million-year-old hardware is being flooded by a 21st-century dopamine loop. Digital novelty, hypermobility, and the dating app treadmill have tricked our brains into reverting to the mating season logic of our primitive ancestors. We are losing our serotonin stability, the feeling of rank and respect, for a cheap hit of dopamine novelty. The result isn't more love, it's the decay of the fortress. Understanding the bio-anthropology of love is the first step to reclaiming your sovereignty. You are not a victim of feelings. You are the heir to a 2 million-year-old survival technology. The question is, are you running the software, or is the software running you? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button.